All right, buenas tardes. I'm going to use this afternoon to give you a review of the conjugation of regular AR verbs. As I wrote at the bottom, get pumped. This should be exciting. All right, so, oh, good, if I can even learn how to change my slide. All right, here we go. So what is conjugation? Conjugation just means that you're changing a verb to agree with the subject. This would be an example right here in English. You would say, I see, you see, but he sees. For some reason, we're changing that verb, see, to a different form, sees, based on the subject. So conjugation works a little differently in English and in Spanish. You just automatically know how to change the verb to agree with your subject in English. But in Spanish, it's a little bit different. So today we're just going to look at some AR verbs. I just made a short list as a quick little reference so you know what I'm talking about. AR verbs end in the letters AR. For example, caminar, to walk, bailar, to dance, cantar, to sing, tomar, to take, pintar, to paint, and dibujar, to draw. What they all have in common when they have their AR attached is that they mean to something. I can't say yo caminar for I walk. That would be I to walk. So again, we need to conjugate it to make it agree. The first thing we need to do is go back and remember our pronouns. And this is when the chart becomes very useful. So we have our pronouns arranged into our 6 boxes. Yo means I, to you friendly, el he, ella she, usted you formal. Nosotras, we, vosotros, vosotras, you all, friendly, only used in Spain. Ellos and ellas, they, ustedes, you all. And some of them are grouped together in a box because they share endings. So those are our pronouns. Here are the endings that go along with those pronouns. These are the ones that you're going to use when you work with the AR verbs, trying to move this out of the way so you can see. So if you're working with yo, you want to talk about yourself. Your ending is going to be O, whether you're female or male. So verb conjugation has nothing to do with gender. Your to-form ending is a. Your el, ella, usted is a. I'm sorry, to is as. El, ella, usted is a. Nosotros, nosotras is amos. Vosotros, vosotras is ice, accent mark over the A. Ellos, ellas, ustedes, an. So that makes your endings in order. O, as, a, amos, ice, an. This is probably where you left off last year when you went remote. So if you remember anything about conjugation, it's most likely o, as, a, amos, ice, and an. Okay, so here's the process. The first thing you're going to do is start with the verb infinitive. The verb infinitive just means it's the original verb with its AR still attached. In the example, pintar, to paint. You're then going to remove your ending. You're going to take off the AR. You are left with pint, P-I-N-T. That's what's sometimes referred to as the stem, the base, or the root. The last thing you're going to do is add your new ending based on the subject. So it's going to look like this. Here's the master chart. I have my pronouns in black, my stem or base or root in this dark reddish color, the pint, and then I have the endings in blue. So when I put it all together and say yo pinto, I'm saying I paint. Tú pintas, you paint. El, ella, usted pinta. He paints, she paints, you paint. Nosotros, nosotras pintamos. We paint. Vosotros, vosotras pintáis. You all paint. Ellos, ellas, ustedes pintan. They paint or you all paint. So this is us putting it all together for AR conjugation. Okay, I promised 2 little people they could have a guest appearance at the end of my recording. That would be my little kids who are over here being very distracting as I try to record. So go ahead, make your guest appearance for my students. There's one. Don't yell. And there's two. And now I'll stop the video.